Hey everyone, it's me, Francis 2005. Today I've bought this hairdryer. What is it? Let me see. It's a LEBEN one lamp hairdryer, and it's as my birthday present. I'm gonna start unboxing it. And to see, it's a short unboxing. Remember? Okay, so let's get cracking. We've got nozzle. And the hairdryer itself, and instructions to read. Yeah, right. And it's got a twist. And then you clip your nozzle to there. And then it's light, so this is lighter. So before I can turn this on, let me see if I can read these instructions. A gentle warm air prep for drying out. Strong air for quickly colder during to keep a distance of about 5 meters between us, and her moves the fast hairdryer back for that. So let's get cracking. So I just need to move this cable. So it's my birthday today. So I wish, and so happy birthday to Francis. And then we've got this. And now, all my friends will be so happy. Okay. And now I'm gonna start switching it on. Remember, it's very quiet. Listen, it's quiet. It's more or less quieter. And it can blow. It's more or less quieter. Okay. And then we're gonna start plugging it in. Then we're gonna see how it performs. It fans. And it's doing good. Wow, this looks really good. And it's very nice and quiet. So I hope you have a good day and speak to you soon. Bye bye.